got a new arrival today at Westport Auto Center. We got a gorgeous 1967 Chevrolet C10 short bed, frame off restored. Just a high level restoration. Power disc brakes, power steering. Just a vintage air. Just attention to detail in this truck. Custom interior. Just absolutely breathtaking. Amazing truck. Big aluminum radiator. Just well done with attention to detail. Paint is absolutely gorgeous. Copperhead, burnt orange. Just wow. We'll have about 100 pictures posted at www.westportautocenter.com. Please like and share the video. Subscribe to the channel, help us grow. Please leave your comments down below. Appreciate any feedback. Man, is this a nice truck. I mean, look at the bed. Just an absolute amazing truck. Get the vehicle up on the rack, get some detailed pictures of the underneath. The underneath is absolutely incredible as well. Look at the bed. Got the big aluminum radiator with dual electric fans. Keep this bad boy cool on a hot summer day. Absolute beautiful truck. Got my camera in there, big center console, vintage air, tilt wheel, full gauges. Just an amazing truck. Power windows.